How to install the steering wheel, the AMG OLED button. First, you find our cables. These cables from us. This is the CAN bus, H and minus. Original airbag. This metal from the airbag yellow plug. Remove it. Then use the CAN bus CAN H to the pin 3, number 3. The CAN bus L to the pin number 4, like this. Number 4. CAN bus. Finish this, then run the cable like this. Make it ready. The first step is ready. Then we take the cables from the buttons. This plug. See, after you remove the steering wheel, install the button like this, and here, make sure it is flat, so you can fix the module here, like this one, like this, and then use the cable. This cable to connect to the. This is the power. This two cable power for the bottom. The red color to the steering wheel plate. The first cable. This power, and then second cables to the plate number 2. This is the ground. Pin 1. The pin 1 is the power. Pin 2 is the ground. And then like this, connect to the module. And this one is the plug to the airbag, like this one. Then this yellow plug connect to the original socket. This is second step down. Final, this cable is for the module. BATT to the screen. BATT start stop bottom, and this one to the ground. This is external exhausted. This is CAN bus connect to the screen, and this CAN bus is go to the steering wheel CAN bus. We remove the original car steering wheel, this socket. You will see that here there's a 2 pin. Here is empty. It's empty. Original is empty. So we use this 2 empty hole to run this CAN bus. Run this CAN bus like this one. Like this CAN bus is CAN bus positive to the positive, negative to the negative. Like this, make it communication. That's all.